Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an exponential equation that is 4 power x equal 40 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So let's solve for x step by step. So I can rewrite this 4 as 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 whole power x is equals to 40. So this becomes 2 power 2x is equals to 40 according to the exponent rule x power m power n is equals to x power mn or x power n power m. Now, I am taking log with base 2 on both sides. So, log base 2 whole 2 power 2x is equals to log base 2 40. Now, compute log 2 base 40. I can write log 2 with base 40 as log 10 with 40 by log 10 by 2. We can write according to log rule log a with base b as log a by log b. So it is approximately 1.602 and this is, we know that 0.3010. So when we do the division, it is approximately 5.32. So now we can directly solve for x. So our left hand side becomes 2x. According to exponent rule, log a power b as a times log 2 with 2 is approximately 5.32 and this becomes 1. So 2x is equals to approximately 5.32. X is approximately 5.32 by 2. So x is 2.66. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.